Hello, boys and girls. Today for Skills, Unit 5, we are jumping into Lesson 26. And this lesson, you are going to be taking a unit assessment, okay, on reading comprehension and grammar. Let's go on to our primary focus slide. These are the things that you will be assessed on. You will be assessed on reading with sufficient accuracy and fluency to support comprehension. And you will be using context. That means other words, clues, okay, to confirm or self-correct word recognition and understanding. You will be rereading as necessary. You will also read and put some words in alphabetical order with the suffixes LE, EL, and TION. Okay, you will also demonstrate capitalization, punctuation, and spelling when writing. Okay, let's jump right into it. Our first slide is our reading comprehension assessment, okay? You're going to be reading the chapter in Sir Gus called Marching Orders. It's chapter 17, and then you're going to answer questions on the activity page 26.1. Okay, you can go back into the story, look for answers if you'd like. Do your best and make sure you double check your work. So important. Okay, you can pause this video and do that now, or you can do it at the end. Next, we aren't finished yet, your grammar assessment. This is on activity page 26.2, and there's a few different parts to this, okay? Part 1, you're going to write the phrase or the sentence, the word correctly, okay? Number 1, Dr. Joe White. What are you going to do to correct that? So make sure you put your editor cap on for this one. Okay, and if you look at the end of each line, there's a number in parentheses. What on earth does that mean? That number, see the number 4 for number 1 at the end here? That means you're going to make 4 changes to Dr. Joe White. Okay, once you're finished with that part 1, go on to part 2. You write the word that means more than one. Okay, so you write the plural. For example, number 8, mouse. What is the plural of mouse? Do you say mouses or do you say something else? Okay, once you're finished with those 2 parts, move on to the next, part 3. Circle the nouns, draw an arrow from the adjective. What's an adjective? Describing word, right? You draw an arrow from the adjective to the noun. And then you draw a wiggly line under the verb in each sentence. Okay, they did give us an example. The famous writer talked. Okay, noun in that sentence, person, place, or thing. Noun is writer. So they went ahead and circled it. Okay, what word is describing that writer? What is the adjective? Famous. So that word goes along with writer. So you draw your arrow. Okay, and then what is the verb? What's the action word? Talked. So you draw your squiggly line underneath. Okay, once you're done with that, part 4, draw 1 line under the subject and 2 lines under the predicate. Okay, remember subject, who the sentence is about, predicate, what they're doing. Predicate tells what they're doing. Example, Ted rode his bike and played ball. Subject is Ted. Therefore, they underline Ted once. What's Ted doing? Rode his bike and played ball. Okay, that is the predicate. So 2 lines under rode his bike and played ball. Okay, next 26.3. On this page, you're going to circle the correct tense for each verb. What on earth does that mean? Okay, let's look at number 23. It says, I will run later. What is the verb in that sentence? What is the action word? Okay, if you said run, you're correct. That's your verb. Is that past tense, present tense, or future tense? Okay, whichever one it is, you need to circle. And I believe that's it. That's it for the assessments today. If you have to go back and listen to those directions again, go for it. I know it's a lot, but I know you'll all do great as well, okay? All right, good luck. Have a nice day.